Welcome to my comprehensive review of LionDesk, a CRM platform tailored for real estate professionals and sales teams looking for an all-in-one solution to manage leads, clients, and transactions effectively. In this video, I'll be giving you a detailed walkthrough of the platform's features, usability, and overall experience to help you decide if the CRM aligns with your business needs. Starting from the dashboard, you'll notice LionDesk's clean and user-friendly interface. The dashboard offers a quick snapshot of your tasks, calendar, and key metrics, allowing you to stay on top of your daily activities. The left-hand navigation menu is straightforward, making it easy to access features like contact management, email marketing, and task automation. One of the standout features of LionDesk is its contact management system. Here, you can import your contact database, segment leads into groups, and track their interactions. The system provides a detailed activity log for each contact, showing emails sent, calls made, and even text messages exchanged. This level of detail ensures you always know where you stand with each client. The email and text marketing tools are equally impressive. You can create customized campaigns using pre-designed templates or start from scratch. LionDesk's text messaging feature supports both individual and bulk messages, making it convenient to send follow-ups or appointment reminders. For those who rely on automation, LionDesk excels with its drip campaign capabilities. You can set up automated workflows to nurture leads over time, saving you hours of manual effort. These workflows are customizable, ensuring they meet your specific sales processes. The platform also integrates seamlessly with tools like Zapier, Facebook, and Google, allowing you to connect with other applications you might already be using. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so be sure to check that out after watching the video. LionDesk supports multimedia messaging, which is great for sending video messages directly to your leads. This feature adds a personal touch to your communications, which can help build stronger client relationships. On the reporting side, LionDesk provides detailed analytics, helping you monitor the performance of your campaigns, track lead sources, and identify what's working. These insights are invaluable for refining your strategies and improving ROI. Another notable aspect is the mobile app, which mirrors much of the desktop functionality. It's perfect for busy professionals who need to manage their business on the go. LionDesk offers several pricing tiers to cater to different needs, making it accessible for solo agents and larger teams alike. While the platform is packed with features, it's worth noting that some advanced options are only available in higher tier plans. Overall, LionDesk is a robust and versatile CRM, particularly well suited for real estate professionals. Its feature set, ease of use, and automation capabilities make it a strong contender in the CRM market. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful reviews and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.